Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently opened the YouTube app and saw the message, switch to youtube.com, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll explain why this is happening and, more importantly, how to fix it so you can keep watching YouTube on your device without any issues. Why are you seeing the switch to youtube.com message? On February 1st, 2025, YouTube released a new update. However, many users have reported seeing the following message when trying to open the app. This version of YouTube has expired and cannot be updated for your device. Please use a browser to visit youtube.com. This means the YouTube app version installed on your device is outdated and no longer supported. This issue mostly affects older smartphones or devices that can't run the latest updates, forcing users to access YouTube through a web browser instead of the app. So how do you fix this? Let's go through some effective solutions. Solution 1. Update YouTube. The easiest fix is to update your YouTube app to the latest version. There are two ways to update YouTube. Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. Tap Update. APK Pure. Go to APK Pure website or app. Search for YouTube and download the latest version. Install and launch the app to see if the issue is resolved. If updating doesn't fix the issue, try the next solution. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. If updating or reinstalling YouTube doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube. Select Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data and confirm. Once done, restart the app and check if YouTube works properly. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall YouTube. If clearing cache didn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling YouTube. Note, on most Android devices, YouTube is a pre-installed system app, meaning you can't completely remove it unless your phone is rooted. But here's what you can do. Then reinstall the latest version. This refreshes the app and can sometimes fix compatibility issues. Solution 4. Install an older version of YouTube. If your device can't install the latest version, you can try downloading an older version of YouTube. Visit APK Pure or another trusted source. Find the version history entry. Download an older YouTube APK that's compatible with your device. Install it and see if it works. Warning: installing older versions comes with some risks, so use official sources whenever possible. If nothing works, you can still use YouTube via your browser until a better fix is available. If you have a better solution, please leave a comment. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech fixes and updates. See you in the next one.